Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Rodger Dodger and this is by Hotwheels. So I'm thinking this is from the A case, 2026 A case. Correct me if I'm wrong. So let's unbox this again. Like I told in the prelude video, I didn't buy it in one single shop. I bought it in multiple small shops and it's a mix of all the cases. So whatever I thought I didn't have, I bought it. So again, I bought for MRP, which is 179. So there are a lot of small shops out there. They are selling Hot Wheels, but it's good that some people don't know about that because they are just going ahead and buying everything and they start scalping. And some small shops directly told me that they stopped getting Hot Wheels because of the specific reason. Well, I can understand them. Okay, so here is the card art. It says number one. Hot Wheels fan driven. What does number one mean? Is it like it is 19 out of 250? But I'm not sure what that number one means. Okay, let me just put this aside. So here is the casting itself. Honestly, out of the box, the casting actually looks really nice. So it does have some painting issues, as you can see. You can see a lot of paint bubbling here, and same goes here as also above the rear fender. So I didn't expect that in a Hot Wheels, but it is there. Okay, the engine detailing looks really nice. Again, this paint issue might be only on mine. Yours might not have this, so don't worry about it. So at least for once, I don't have any scratches on the windshield. At least not like before. Okay, so it does have headlight detailing here, but it is just embossed. Nothing is painted on. They just left it out. So okay, it doesn't have any tail light detailing, but I'm guessing that this part here is supposed to be tail light. That protruding part here. Okay, so the exhaust are side mounted here. That looks really cool for this casting, and the interior is chromed out. Okay, I don't know why they are chroming out for this particular color scheme. I mean, it looks okay, but it is not really that eye candy if you personally ask me. The engine detailing looks really nice. The rims, I mean, the wheels are not really that much special, but it somewhat suits this particular casting, so it's okay. So apart from that, okay, the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic, and the exhaust here, the engine detailing here, everything is plastic that is connected with this chromed out interior here. So, but apart from that, honestly, apart from this paint bubbling here, the casting looks really good. So if you are able to get this casting, my suggestion would be go ahead and get it. So see, I personally don't buy that much of fantasy casting. I do have quite a few, but not too much. So I buy only whatever I like when it comes to fantasy casting, whether it can be the color or it can be both the design choice and the color they are going with. So or at least my first preference would be the casting itself, not the paint job or anything. So but this paint job actually has the one of the coolest detailing here. I mean, that looks really sick. It actually flows along with the lines. That looks so beautiful. I really wish Hot Wheels does more of this kind of paint job instead of just giving, flashy colors. Just flashy colors I'm talking about. Okay. 32 grams, not bad. Okay. So let's roll this casting now. It rolls good. So I really want to buy a wider track. I just want some suggestions, guys. If you are using any wide tracks, so a lot of people actually told me over comments, that I need to buy wide tracks. I understand that I need to buy, but like I don't know which one to buy and I don't know where to buy. So this one I think I bought it from a very small shop long back. Okay, this one I bought it from the set. I think 1.5 years back or so. So before this, I was using one more track that I bought it in a very small shop. So most of the things I buy from very small shops, and I don't go for a big, uh, shops like Hamleys or something like that. Okay. So with that said, this casting rolls really well, and let's rate this casting now. Okay, so I'm taking point 0.5 out of 10 because it doesn't have any headlight detail or tail light detail either, but rest everything looks so beautiful. So 9.5 out of 10 for this casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.